Join us in this engaging video as we explore the role of oxalic acid in cleaning products. We will break down how this natural compound works to eliminate tough stains and mineral buildup, making it a staple in many household cleaners. Learn about its chemical properties, practical applications, and tips for safe usage. Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or just curious about effective cleaning solutions, this video is for you. Pound cleaning tips. Pound oxalic acid. Pound eco-friendly cleaning uses. Rust removal. Oxalic acid is an effective rust remover and is commonly used to clean rust stains from metal surfaces. Wood bleaching. It is used in wood bleaching to remove stains, discolorations, and watermarks from wood. Cleaning. Oxalic acid is used as a cleaning agent in many applications, such as cleaning concrete, tiles, and other surfaces. Removing mineral deposits. It can dissolve mineral deposits, such as calcium and iron, from toilets, sinks, and other plumbing fixtures. Metal cleaning. Oxalic acid is used to clean metals, such as brass and bronze, and to remove tarnish from silver. Medical applications. It is used in medical applications as a chelating agent to remove excess iron from the body. Synthesis of chemicals. Oxalic acid is used as a raw material for the synthesis of various chemicals, such as formic acid, glyoxylic acid, and oxamide.